Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and thanks to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. We're getting into another V-part unit, so let's get into it, guys. Of course, they add the goodies, the wig caps, the edge lay bands, all the good stuff. This is how the wig is constructed. It is the breathable cap with the clipping clips around the parting area and the combs for the sides. So I absolutely love this breathable fabric because if you need to scratch your head or anything like that, you can just dig right in and do so, and it's really comfortable and breathable. So I'm just going around the part, clipping the wig in and securing it. Make sure that it's comfortable, you guys, and that it's in really good, so this is not pulling on one or two hairs. It has a good amount of hairs to hold on to. And then I'm just bringing the side clips in and clipping them in on the side. I'm not leaving any hair out on my perimeter, just the part, because it isn't needed, and you guys will see that in a few minutes. So I'm just gonna go in with my wand curler, my skinny wand curler, to match this hair. But before I do that, we're gonna fluff. So as you guys can see, I'm literally just breaking my hands through this hair, and it's gonna get bigger and bigger. I absolutely love that about this hair because it's super simple to do, and it just gives you that big voluminous look. So as you guys can see the difference here, once you puff it out, it just looks so much better. But if you want that defined look, you can just wash this unit and put some products. But I absolutely love the volume. So now I'm going in with my wand curler and curling it right on up, and I will be back with the finished results in a few. So now I'm just going in and separating these pieces, guys, and you just want to separate it so that it can match with the curls. You can even twist it in, but as you can see, it matches really good because of the size of my wand curler. So you just want a small enough wand curler to make sure that it matches with these curls, and boom, look at how good that looks, you guys. I absolutely love how this unit turned out, and it's just so cute. Of course, perfect for a summer day, even transitioning into fall, since you girls know that we are getting into the fall season. But I absolutely love this unit. Of course, it's virgin hair, so you can curl it, wash it, you can do whatever you want to this hair, even dye it. But just look at the shine, the luster, look at how great these curls match, and I just love how this looks, guys. So I'm going to show you this little updo that I did in my hair, and I just kind of brought some curls up to the front, and I just wanted to show you guys that you do not have to leave your hair out in the front to blend. I did not leave any hair out in the front, but I am like leaving some curls down to make sure that it's blending, and boom, this is how it looks, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below how you like it and what was your favorite style. Would you wear it up or would you wear it down? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.